Our world is becoming ever more connected. Billions of intelligent devices and machines generate massive data, bridging real and virtual worlds. Complex data now play a crucial role in the way we move, live, and work, the way we plan and create products and services. Turning the vast amounts of data collected every day into value is a key success factor for companies, economies, and entire societies. We have the domain know-how to transform the big data generated by our systems and products into rich information that enables smart choices. Our data-driven services monitor power plants to guarantee reliable energy supply. Our software and IT solutions teach wind powers how to produce more, and our building management systems teach buildings how to consume less energy. We enable our customers to intelligently automate processes across the entire life cycle of their products. And by simulating real-world objects by means of digital twins, we help them optimize their manufacturing processes. Our intelligent traffic management systems help moving people and goods faster, safer, and with less CO2 emissions. And we develop sophisticated medical imaging systems that help doctors make better decisions faster. We seize the data opportunity to create real value